my name is Campbell. I'm a mixed media artist and I am really excited because in March on the 28th, I am hosting a in-person workshop at the North Carolina Arboretum in Asheville. Now, I am a North Carolina resident. I've lived in the Raleigh area for 13 years and Asheville is hands down my favorite North Carolina city. It's a pedestrian city, very artsy, fartsy, very down to earth. There's a lot of things to do in that area and it's nestled in the foot of the Blue Ridge Mountains, so it's like beautiful. I am super excited to be hosting a full day in-person workshop on the 28th and we are going to be doing this giant journal spread called The Lady of Spring, okay? And I know if you're a beginner, this project may seem intimidating to you, but I just want to reassure you that I am blessed in the ways of teaching beginners everything they need to know to make this successful project. I'm going to be giving everyone a drawing lesson. I'm also going to be giving everyone an outline of the face, so if even after the drawing lesson you don't feel comfortable, you can actually trace the outline into your art journals. If you want to work on a canvas or a canvas board, you can have the opportunity to do that as well. We just ask that you bring your own, since really the sky's the limit, you can do whatever you want, then just bring your own substrate. Everything else other than that is included in the price. I have reference photos for everyone. I also have a really straightforward mixed media layering system that I teach. I've published 9 art books, both in drawing and mixed media, so I have a lot of experience in teaching my methods. And everyone, you're not required to buy a thing. You actually get a free copy of my How to Draw and Find Your Style recent publication. I'm very excited to give to you for signing up. And I will also be giving you a PDF cheat sheet of my Hamburger mixed media layering system, which is the exact system we're going to be using to make our girl. So if you're not doing anything on the 28th, I would love to have you in my workshop. There's only 20 spaces. They're not all available, so please sign up quickly if you're interested. The night before, we're doing a meet and greet at a restaurant. We're gonna have dinner together. It's totally optional, but if you wanna stay in a hotel nearby and make a weekend of it, you can bring your spouse. They can come to dinner. Your spouse can wander the Arboretum grounds and go exploring while you're doing the workshop. So it's just a great venue. It's a beautiful venue. It's going to be a jam-packed, art-filled day. We are going to be in the throes of mixed media, slinging paints, doing stencils, drawing, coloring. But even if you're a beginner, I got you. I got you. So please don't be afraid. I'm gonna make sure that everybody walks away with a masterpiece that they feel really, really good about and are really proud of. So if you would like to sign up, I invite you to come for a full day of learning with me on March 28th and the optional dinner on the 27th. I would love to see you there. Oh, and bring your art journals on the 27th to the dinner because we're gonna do like a little share of our art journals there too. So I'm very excited. So if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. There is a link in the description box as well as in the comment section to sign up if you're interested. I really hope to see you there. It's gonna be awesome, not gonna lie.